What if I told you? The future we once feared is already here. Artificial intelligence is replacing humans, machines act like people, and reality is harder to trust than ever. This isn't a movie, it's 2026. For decades, sci-fi warned us about intelligent machines and digital worlds. Now it's our reality. AI, deepfakes, and surveillance are transforming every part of our lives, often faster than we realize. Today, we'll show you what's already here, what's next, and why you need to pay attention. Because this future, it doesn't wait for anyone. Let's start with jobs, where the change hits hardest. The question isn't, will AI take my job, but which jobs are left? AI now writes articles, analyzes medical images, creates art, and even argues court cases, tasks that once took years to master. Lawyers, doctors, artists, programmers, no one is safe from automation. Most of these changes happen quietly, until suddenly, your favorite company is run by algorithms. Millions of jobs have been replaced or transformed in just the last year. Middle management, automated. Customer support, AI chatbots, content creation, AI editors. AI is moving up the ladder, fast. For some, it's a chance to automate boring work and focus on creativity. For others, it's a wake-up call. The fear of being replaced isn't science fiction anymore. But not all change is bad. Some use AI as a superpower, building new businesses overnight. The winners? Those who adapt the fastest. One day you're learning a skill. The next, AI does it better and cheaper. Job security? Outdated. What's left for humans? Creativity, empathy, leadership. For now. In 2026, every job is on the table. The only constant is change. AI is woven into our daily lives, answering questions, planning schedules, even making decisions. It feels like we're getting smarter and more productive. But are we just more dependent? The more we rely on AI, the less we use our own brains. We're outsourcing memory, creativity, and critical thinking. The line between using a tool and being controlled by it is blurring. Are we using AI, or is AI using us? It's easy to accept whatever answer comes back, but that means we stop questioning and learning. Algorithms shape what we see, buy, and believe, optimized for engagement, not truth. Is this making us smarter, or just more dependent? We have instant access to knowledge, but if we never struggle for answers, are we losing something vital? Some try to unplug and think independently, but it's harder every year. The world is built for convenience, with AI doing everything for you. Will we become superhuman with AI, or forget how to think for ourselves? The answer depends on the choices we make now. Let's talk about deepfakes. AI-generated videos and voices that look and sound real. Seeing is no longer believing. Anyone's face or voice can be faked with a few clicks. Politicians, celebrities, even your friends. The tech improves daily. Soon you won't know what's real. Deepfakes can ruin reputations, start rumors, or trigger crises. Fake evidence, fake confessions, fake news. Most people believe it because it looks real. Scam calls with cloned voices, viral videos that never happened. Proof is now just pixels and code. The line between reality and fiction is vanishing. Every piece of media comes with a question mark. Is it real? Is it fake? Even experts struggle to tell the difference. Software can generate entire videos in minutes, complete with voices and emotions. Platforms are racing to detect deepfakes, but it's an endless battle. The stakes are highest during elections and world events. The result? A world where trust is broken. You can't believe what you see, hear, or read. That's not the future. It's now. Every move you make online, every click, swipe, and word is tracked. Apps, websites, and even your smart fridge collect data about you, 24/7. Governments and companies know more about your life than you do. Surveillance is everywhere. Smart cameras, facial recognition, AI tracking your every move. In some cities you can't walk down the street without being scanned. Most people accept it, trading privacy for convenience and safety. But your face, voice, and choices are turned into data, sold and analyzed without your knowledge. Some governments use this tech to fight crime, others use it to control or silence people. Corporations use your data to predict what you'll buy, how you'll vote, even who you'll date. Privacy is now a luxury. The internet never forgets and cameras are always on. We've gotten used to it, as long as life is easy. But what happens when data is used against you? Surveillance is about power. In 2026 the balance is shifting. Fast. Humanoid robots are here, walking, talking, and working alongside us. Companies like Tesla and Boston Dynamics build robots that look and act almost human. They serve coffee, deliver mail, and even hold conversations. Some are programmed to mimic emotions, blurring the line between human and machine. Robots are taking over dangerous and boring jobs, but also challenging what makes us human. Every year they get smarter and more lifelike. In some countries, robots care for the elderly, teach kids, and perform on stage. In 2026, the line between human and machine is almost gone. Let's bring it all together. AI replacing jobs, deepfakes, surveillance, robots. This isn't just progress, it's a total transformation. The rules have changed, how we work, think, trust, and connect. AI creates new jobs and changes old ones. Deepfakes force us to question reality. Surveillance changes how we behave. Robots challenge what it means to be human. Algorithms shape our decisions and identities. Data is weaponized and monetized. The digital and physical worlds are merging. This isn't just the next step in tech, it's a fundamental shift. The future isn't coming, it's already here. Are we ready, or are we sleepwalking into a new world order? In 2026, everything is connected. Understanding how these pieces fit together is the key to thriving. The future we imagine is here. Whether it's a dream or a nightmare depends on what we do next. 2026 is just the beginning. AI, deepfakes, surveillance, robots. These are the building blocks of a new era. How we adapt and protect what matters will decide our world. Don't look away. The choices you make today shape tomorrow. The future is now. Are you ready for the present?